In primetime news this evening, new date for sentencing. Man who confessed to killing 5 family members to know his fate in October.
Disappointed, family of cocoa piece victims react to sentencing delay.
And later, major fish kill in Portmore, St. Catherine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you, Andrea. JMB Group saw increased profit for its first quarter. Find out which segments were the main contributors later.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Karen. She has what's coming up in sports. Karen?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the depleted Sunshine Girls team was no match for New Zealand, but they are being hailed for their fighting spirit. We'll tell you all about that later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the postponement of the sentencing of the man who killed the family of 5 in Cocoa Piece, Clarendon, Roshane Barnett?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.